This is Kali Linux 2023.1, the brand new release for 2023. It's the 10th anniversary release of Kali Linux, which brings in new changes and features. And without further ado, let's take a look at what's new in Kali Linux 2023.1. Kali Linux 2023 brings a fresh new look, which makes it easier to recognize the different versions of Kali Linux over time. This update includes a brand new wallpapers with a desktop, login manager, and grub menu. In addition to that, you get a brand new purple themes which are available in light and dark modes. Kali Linux 2023.1 introduces a new variant called Kali Purple. It introduces a brand new tools for defensive security. Kali Purple is starting as a proof of concept, evolving into the framework and then a brand new platform just like Kali Blue. The main goal of Kali Purple is to provide an enterprise-grade security accessible to everyone. These defensive security tools help to detect security issues in enterprises such as intrusion detection systems, vulnerability scanners, packet capture, and analysis. Kali Linux 2023 brings changes to the Python package manager known as pip. The way you install any Python package using pip is going to be changed in the Debian 12 release. Let's say you try to install any package using pip with the existing syntax, a warning message may be displayed. The issue is they can clash and break the operating system's package manager APT. Now, currently, Kali team has added a patch to install packages system-wide, but this could be changed down the road when Debian 12 is available. So the best recommendation to install the Python package in Debian 12 based systems is to use this syntax. Kali Linux 2023.1 brings a new updates to the desktop environments. The default desktop XFCE 4.18 brings a ton of new features such as a split view, image preview, and other changes. The all-new XFCE desktop with the combination of the purple theme provides a stunning user experience. Now, along with that, Kali Linux 2023.1 is available in other desktop environments such as KDE Plasma 5.27 and GNOME 43. Also, it comes with a mainline kernel 6.1 which provides the latest hardware support for CPU and GPU. Now, this release is going to be painful for some NVIDIA users. The 525 series of NVIDIA drivers are known to break with some GPU models. Now, as of now, it's unknown which NVIDIA GPU is going to have issues. I have installed NVIDIA drivers for RTX 3050. It's working fine for me, but in your case, if you face any symptoms that are slow or unresponsive after installing NVIDIA drivers, it's better to uninstall them as soon as possible. It's not a problem from Kali Linux. All the Linux distributions that started to distribute 525 drivers, including Debian, Ubuntu, and Arch Linux, are facing the issues. And that's pretty much it. These are some of the new features and changes of Kali Linux 2023.1. Let me know what do you think about it in the comment section down below. If in case you enjoyed this video, feel free to like it. Thanks for watching. This has been KSK Ryle. I will catch you at the next one.